Hi, my name is Alana Martin. I'm 17 years old and I'm a motocross rider chasing more than just wins. Motocross has tested me in every way, mentally and physically. I faced many injuries that forced me off the bike, moments where quitting would have been easier. But every setback taught me discipline, patience, and resilience. Coming back stronger than ever after every injury showed me that championship wins aren't just made overnight, they're built through consistency, hard work, and belief when no one's watching. I should be chosen as the ultimate rider because I represent what the sport truly stands for: grit, determination, and never backing down. I don't just ride, I work for it every single day.